You might hate what I'm going to tell you. That's my job. Sometimes it's to tell you what you don't want to hear. So if you're hiring an attorney to tell you what you want to hear, there's a lot of them out there that'll do that. Or you can just, you don't have to pay an attorney. You could just hire somebody down the street to just all day long just recite back to you what you want to hear. Friends and family members, obviously are going to take it from your perspective, but I'm a divorce lawyer. So I practice only divorce and family law in Florida. And through my career and through my experience and the training that I've had, I've developed a very certain set of skills. Okay. But I'm going to tell you some things that you're not going to like to hear. I'm going to tell you some things that you're not going to want to hear, but you need to hear it. You need to hear somebody not just being a yes man or a yes woman. That's not what you need if you're going through a divorce. As lawyers, we're taught through the Socratic method, right? And we're taught to question things and continue to analyze and play devil's advocate and look at each circumstance from different angles. So it's ingrained within our heads to look at it from different perspectives. So we're going to sometimes give you worst case scenarios. We're going to tell you what's happened, in similar situations. We're going to be able to, at least I know for myself, I can look at different patterns within cases and we can be able to give you advice, but you may not want to hear it. You may want to only hear what it is that you want to hear. And maybe you'll tune out the part of it that you really need. So when we tell you, because again, you're coming to us, you're calling us, and whether us as in my firm or us as in a divorce lawyer in general, if you're watching this, if you're calling a divorce lawyer, you need help and you want advice from them. So wouldn't it be good to listen to the advice of the person that is giving you that? So myself personally, the way I advocate for my clients is I tell them things they're not going to want to hear. Sometimes they may hate to hear what I'm going to tell them, but they need to hear it. So the law is not perfect, just as nobody is perfect. I would hope that this is not some surprise to anybody watching this video. Nobody's perfect. So again, there's going to be pros and cons to different situations. There's going to be cases that facts are more helpful than other facts. So again, we're able to weigh those and look at them and analyze them and then look at the law and to give you some advice that sometimes you're not going to want to hear, but it may be something that you need to hear.